Hello class, and welcome back to another video lesson about plate tectonics. Today we're going to be discussing divergent plate boundaries and convection currents and how that affects seafloor spreading. So first I want you guys to understand how or what divergent plate boundaries are. So divergent plate boundaries are two plates, as we can see right here, that diverge, that move away from each other. So this plate is moving this way. Then this plate in the diagram is moving this way. And as we can see at this mid-ocean ridge caused by these divergent plate boundaries, you can see like some orange magma coming up and little bits of rocks like right here. You can see these little rocks like right here and right here. And those rocks are caused by convection currents pushing magma upwards. So magma is coming upwards. Denoted by these arrows here. So these convection currents, when convection currents move upwards towards the crust, it actually causes the divergent plate boundaries. And then in a later lesson, we're going to talk about convergent plate boundaries, and over here, these arrows. So when convection currents are going downwards towards the core of the Earth, they're actually causing convergent plate boundaries. And so focusing on today, the convection currents are, like I said, pushing magma up into this divergent plate boundary, and that's pushing old rock. That's what's causing it. It's the new rock coming up, the new magma coming up, forming rocks when coming in contact with the cold ocean water, are pushing old rocks away from the divergent plate boundary. And so you can see these like lines right here in the oceanic plate, and these lines are trying to show geologic features, and that these rocks are different ages. So these rocks on this end are, say, maybe like 4 million years old, right? These rocks right here might only be, let's say, 100,000 years old. So at divergent plate boundaries, the younger rocks are always going to be closer to the boundary, and the older rocks are always going to be further away from the boundary, because it's a constant rate of new rock coming up at the boundary and pushing old rock away. So that's one thing I really want you guys to understand.